Hello everyone, Timothy from ReplacementRemotes.com. Today I have with me the Anderic RR VSB211 soundbar remote control. It does replace the original Vizio-Soundbar remote VSB211, 207, 210, and 211. As you can see, it has all the same features and layouts of the original. You can look below the video for the model numbers that I have listed there. If you would like to make the order by phone or have any questions, give us a call at 336-924-8787 or click the link below to order from ReplacementRemotes.com, where on our secured website you can click the green Buy It Now button and we'll send you the brand new Anderic RR VSB211 soundbar remote control.
ReplacementRemotes.com, ReplacementRemotes.com. If you need a remote control, ReplacementRemotes.com.